Dear educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. Now, one thing that you need to understand is that earlier videos we talked about how to connect your panel directly without using wiring. But now with your panel, you do get an HDMI cable. So what you have to do is you have a HDMI jack here. Just connect it. And here also you have an HDMI jack. Connect allowingly. So as soon as the connection is done, here you have the panel. You can just showcase it in case you just sit here for your students and you want to explain some video, or in case if you want to show certain applications like a my view board application using your laptop, you can easily show that using the panel. Remember this, that features like immersive reader are very much useful on the Windows application. So that is something you can do it by using your HDMI cable. Thank you so much.